So if you sit at a desk all week long and you find yourself slouching like this, starting to get neck pain and headaches, this block is awesome. Just type in neck traction on Amazon. It'll come to your door in like 2 hours. So basically all you do, you place this right here, come down slowly, and I like to place it right in the upper back, lower neck, and just let the head kind of hang. I'm gonna push this down a little bit more. And as you can see, this nice C shape right here in the curve, that's what you're supposed to have. This will decompress the neck, allow these muscles to relax, and you're gonna feel a lot better. And once you buy it, you can use it however often you want.